guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me on this DIY. I truly want to thank you guys for your support, for sharing the videos, and just leaving me such great comments. I truly appreciate it. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Today's video is going to be quick, easy, fun, because it's a princess candle holder or night light, whatever you want it to be. And you can find all you need at the Dollar Tree. You can use a Dollar Tree candle holder, or you can haul one from the thrift store. But this particular one came from Ross, and during their huge year time sale, clearancing out sale, they had this candle holder. I'm trying to remove the tag from the back for $1.49. I tried to find another one, but I couldn't find it. They'll probably have it again next year, so I am going to hold on to it, but I decided because it is so fabulous, I am going to go ahead and use it for this project because I don't have a pair anyway. I only have the single one, so it'll be fine for this project. Like I said, you can use a Dollar Tree candle holder, or you can go to the thrift store, find one for $1 or $1.18. Sometimes they do have a 50% sale on a certain day at the thrift store. So even if it's $1.18, you can get 50% off of that, or even $2, you know, whatever it costs. But you can use something that's beautiful, and I'm sure it'll be perfectly fine to work with this project. So what you're going to need for this project is a candle holder. You'll need 2 of the princess crowns and a mirror. You definitely will need to have candles, or you can use the battery operated light as well. So let's get started on this. Let's do the crowns first. These tiaras. Tiara. Okay, so it's really pretty simple. You can break it if you like. Just put your finger where you want to break, and it comes right off. I also have a pliers that works really well as well. That's what I use to remove these. But it's plastic, so you can break it with your hand. Well, this one is not breaking so easily, so let's use the pliers. Make sure you mark where you want to break it. Squeeze it and just bend. Rock back and forth. And that's it, guys. It comes right off. So what I want to do now, you will also need scissors because you need to remove your tags. So you need your crowns, your mirror, candle holder, glue sticks and glue gun, and a scissors. Some scissors, or one scissors, or whatever it is you want to call it. Okay, let's get our mirror onto the candle holder. Make sure you're generous with your glue, like always. I like to flip it over because it makes it easier for me to see, and center it. Okay, now just want to measure it to see where I am. pretty much that's where we're gonna be. Love it. Okay, so what I want to do is turn this one upside down. Be generous with your glue. And if this is your first time, you may be wondering, why am I saying to be generous? It allows your glue to take a little bit longer to dry on you if the glue is thick. So then you can go ahead and even it up with each other. Make sure they're centered. Hold it in place till it's dry. Now when it's thicker, of course, it's going to take a little bit longer to dry. That's the purpose. All right, I'm going to hold this in place and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so it is dried. Now I want to go ahead and put it onto the mirror. Go slowly and gently because remember it's plastic and it can break. Okay, so I think it's on and I want to secure that with some glue. So I'm going to go ahead and place some glue in the corner of the mirror and the crown. And this is perfect, it's not visible at all, so that makes it nice. I want you to see that you're not able to see the glue as well. So now I'm looking at it and I would suggest that you get 4 of them because I thought 2 would be great and I do like 2, but I think 4 would be perfect if I had 2 more for the back. Then you'll have the whole thing closed in. That I think would be absolutely fabulous. Nevertheless, we're going to go ahead with what we have. So that was my miscalculation. So I decided as I'm looking at the project that they have these huge stones on there and they're similar to my Walmart stones. So I want to go ahead and add that. I know I hadn't mentioned it in the beginning when I started because I hadn't thought about it, but now that I'm looking at it, it definitely screams more gems, more gems. So I'm going to go ahead and figure out how to open this packet because I can't find it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finally got it open, and what I want to do, I want to start with back here and add a gem. Be careful because it does have adhesive on it, so it will stick. Just make sure it's straight. Looking pretty straight to me. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Guys, I want to invite you to turn your notification on. Turn that bell on so that you're able to be notified. You'll know when I upload a new video. Because it depends on how I feel that day. I may do 2 videos for you, a bonus. And I definitely don't want you to miss any ideas I may have had throughout the day and decide I want to share with you. Make sure you're being notified. I've got so many in my mind that as they come, I have to share them. On overload. Don't be silly. I know sometimes I can be silly, and I know a few of you don't like that. Okay, I think that's pretty straight. As straight as it's going to get. I like that. I think that's beautiful. And because I don't have another one, I'm just going to go ahead and place some gems back here. I don't have another set to go with this project. But like I said, if you're recreating this project, I would suggest that you do 4 and not 2, like I did. Okay guys, I'm going to finish this up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so if you want to take this a little bit further, then you can add some jewels to this project. Just open it up and slip it on. Be careful. And you can always do E6000 on this project. Don't have to just use glue, glue sticks. You want to make it more secure for your child or for wherever you're putting it. So I'm going to go ahead, arrange these stones on here and come back and show you the finished product. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I have mixed feelings because I like it with and without the beads. So you can decide what you want for your project, if you want it with or without the beads. Now I have 2 choices of lights. So if you want it to be a night light, you can use a battery operated light, which you just press the top and it comes right on. And press it and it goes off. If it's a teenager, you can use a regular light. I also think this project can be used for an adult. If you remove the beads, spray paint it gold, you could create an adult princess, because we are princesses. Now, I would like to also add to this a fishbowl. I think a fishbowl would be very nice on top of it. I decided I would do a fishbowl. And it makes it a little bit safer too for the teenager and for your child. All they have to do is turn it on. Perfect. A night light. Off. And I would call that a chandelier as well. I love that idea. Very nice. It illuminates really well. You can also use the regular candle. I love the regular candle. You guys know that. I've said that several times. So, guys, this is it. And I also mentioned that I would advise to get 2 more if you wanted the back covered. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention that on the back of these lights, there is an adhesive on there that you can stick onto the back, the bottom of